Hello, and welcome to How Much Are You Really Paying for a Home? The purpose of this training is to review the calculations involved in paying a mortgage. After completing this course, you will be able to calculate your monthly mortgage amount, calculate the total amount of interest paid on a mortgage, and calculate the total payment amount of a mortgage. In order to get started, make sure you have these available functions on your calculator: parentheses and x to the power of. This particular calculator is available on Android phones. So this is the equation used to figure out monthly mortgage payments. It looks a bit complicated, doesn't it? But honestly, it's not as bad as you think it is. We just have to break it all down. But first, we need to know some information. P is the principal or the amount of the mortgage, N is the total number of payments over the course of the mortgage, and R is the annual rate. So let's say you take out a $300,000 mortgage over the course of 30 years at an annual rate of 5%. We already know that P equals 300,000, so let's figure out N. N is the total number of payments for the 30-year mortgage. So 12 times 30 equals 360. Now we know the total number of payments over the life of the mortgage is 360 payments. Now we just have to figure out R. Since R is an annual rate of 5%, we set R as 0.05 divided by 12. Now we're ready to solve the top portion of this equation. In order to do that, we're going to take the principal or the mortgage amount and multiply that by R, which is 300,000 times 0.05 divided by 12, and that equals 1,250. Wow, we just figured out the top half of this equation. Now let's figure out the bottom half. Well, we already know that R equals 0.05 divided by 12, and we know that N equals 360. So let's plug in those numbers to the bottom half of the equation. I'll show you what it looks like on the calculator. First, add your parentheses in. Then, type in the number 1 minus parentheses 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12. Click the parentheses again to close the parentheses. Now, click the x to the power of y. This will automatically place a caret and a parentheses in the calculator. Finally, type in negative 360, then press the equal sign. You should get 0.7761734044. If you did, congratulations, you just got through the most difficult part of the calculation. Now that we have the top portion and the bottom portion figured out, we just have to divide. 1,250 divided by 0.7761734044 equals $1,610.46. And that, my friends, is how you figure out your monthly mortgage payment. So we know that for 360 months, the payments will be $1,610.46. So how much are you really paying for your $300,000 mortgage at the end of 30 years? Well, we simply take $1,610.46 and multiply that by 360, which comes out to $579,765.60. And that is what you're really paying for your home. Let's review everything we've learned. We figured out how to get the number of payments over the course of a mortgage, how to calculate the monthly mortgage amount, and finally, how much you're really paying over the course of the mortgage. I hope you enjoyed, and happy house hunting! Take care.